everyone, Tessa here. So today we are going to put together this space-saving pant hanger. Let's see how easy or hard it is to put it together. It comes with this little manual, so it has very good instructions. First thing they want you to do is take one of these. It says pull the hook and base in opposite directions, so they just mean to do that. You're going to align this hole right here on the hook with this hole right here. I find the best way to do this is to just turn it upside down like this, and then you are going to take one of the screws, make sure you get it right in there, screw it in there, and now it's time to use the Allen wrench. I think I have to go any further with that. And there we go, we got that in. So I tightened a little bit too much. I read the instructions here and it just says to tighten enough so that it's flush with the wood. So there we go, that's better. And then you do the same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that off camera. Now it's time to insert the metal rods. Make sure that when you do it, it's really important the direction that you insert from the side with the depressed holes. So not the sad holes, just the depressed. Here where above the wood, where the metal part is just in a little bit further. So that's the depressed side. Put that through there until it stops. And now you screw the cap nut onto the rod thread. And just do the same thing with the other four. And then you just put those cap nuts on there. They give you one extra cap nut. I think they make these for people like my husband who loses everything. So, all right, here we go. If you want to tighten it, I think, yeah, I guess it does need a little tightening. So just hang on to it like this, and then, of course, righty-tighty. We did it. It's done. It was actually really easy.